Hey, I'm Lachlan. I founded Boxed a few years ago with the clear intention of making packaging easy. For many years, the packaging industry has been dominated by industrial manufacturers, and they've made it really difficult to transact with small business. And that's where we come into it. I built Boxed as an online company. We have 3 goals that we strive to achieve. The first is always manufacturing premium quality products. The second is all about making the checkout as simple as possible. So we don't require any ABN or account to be created. Simply add the products that you'd like to your cart and check out. Lastly, we ship all of our orders express, meaning the items that you order will be delivered to your house or business ASAP. As an Australian-owned company, we pride ourselves on our customer service. So feel free to reach out to our customer support team if you have any questions at all. I'm really grateful for your support.